Hello traders, this is Chris from EverTrader and welcome to our interview with one of our official traders here, Muhammad from Pakistan. Hi Muhammad, let me first of all congratulate you on your successfully passing the EverTrader evaluation and on getting funded by us.
Thank you, Chris. Thank you so much.
Nice to have you here. And by the way, for those who might be watching this interview for the first time, EverTrader is a prop firm trading company. We are looking for trading talents here who, upon passing our evaluation program, get to manage up to 200,000 US dollars EverTrader account. So, Muhammad, here, could you please tell us what account size are you managing with EverTrader?
It's 10K.
Okay, it's a 10K account. Is this your first account with EverTrader?
Yeah, this is my first account, and I'm gonna use another one, a 200K. So my next plan is to have a 200K account.
Okay, congratulations. It's a really good way to continue your partnership with EverTrader. And
Thanks.
how's trading going on your new funded account?
Yeah, it's going very well.
Okay, congratulations.
I'm making profits now, actually.
Okay. We are going to see your dashboard as well a bit later, but before talking about the strategy, profits, and so, can you give us a little introduction about yourself? So, what do you do for a living? Are you a full-time trader or do you work as well?
Yeah, I work as well, but I'm trading part-time.
Okay. And do you plan to become a full-time trader?
Yes, I have a plan. That's why I told you that I'm gonna have the 200K account in the future, in the very
Okay.
near future, actually.
Okay, wish you luck and a lot of discipline in your future plans because, as you
Thank
probably
you.
know, it's all about your discipline in managing that kind of big funded accounts. And how long have you been trading overall, not only with EverTrader?
Yeah, I'm trading since last almost 12 years.
Okay, 12 years.
Yep.
That's impressive. Okay, and do you have experience with prop firms, or you were just trading your own accounts?
Yeah, actually, this is my first time with the Pro Funds.
Okay, that's really nice. Really great. And due to the fact that this is your first time trading with a prop firm, why did you choose EverTrader to start trading with a prop firm?
Yeah, actually, the main thing was that I was looking for some huge funds to trade, and I have seen the advertisement on my Facebook. I just checked that what is EverTrader and all. Then I go through the website. Then I come to know that this is the Pro Fund. Let's start with that. Then after starting that, I found it very nice, and everything was going very well in my evaluation. Then after evaluation, as it is promised that after the first phase they will gonna return me, then the fee which I have deposited, and without any delay, without any invoicing, without any request, they just straight away return my own money to my account, and that makes me very happy. So
Okay.
now I can trust EverThread in any kind.
Okay, I'm really glad that your experience was like this way with EverTrader. And I wanted to ask you, how is your impression about the commissions, the spreads, maybe slippages with EverTrader? Have you faced any problems like that?
No, the spread charges, I think there are no spread charges. There are no commissions. The charges are very little, which applied on every trade, and swaps are very normal. So I'm very happy with the charges of spreads and all. Even spreads are not there. There is very little commission on every trade, and that is, I think, very compatible with the market, as
Okay.
I'm trading with the rest of the brokers. So I found that EverTrader is charging very less.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for sharing your feedback and your experience with
Thank
us.
you.
And now I would like to dive into the beginning of your trading journey, actually. Even if it was 12 years ago, from my personal experience, I know the first months of trading can be confusing and full of information all over the place. So, can you share with us a bit how did you manage to learn trade profitably? And have you ever taken any courses or are you a self taught?
Yeah, actually, you can say I'm a self-taught because I haven't get any courses, but
Okay.
I followed a lot of things on the YouTube and some other sources to
Okay.
learn the forex trading and all.
Okay. And more than that, I think your overall experience learned you to be profitable, I think.
Yes, it is.
Because from the personal experience, you learn to be disciplined, you learn how to filter your strategy. And so congrats for being on this journey for so long.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, now I would like to ask you some questions regarding your successful trading style. Do you have any favorite market sessions to trade, or you like trading like the entire day?
No, actually, my favorite session for trade is the when the U.S. markets are there,
Okay,
especially the U.S. and the New York and London overlap. That is, I like that. I
okay,
like trading that.
okay. So you, for example, you do not trade at all the Asian session, for example.
I can't say that. Sometimes when there are opportunities, and actually I'm trading price action. So if there are opportunities in the Asian session, so I trade that, but not that much. Most of
Okay,
my trades are in UK and US sessions.
okay. And are you trading exclusively a certain pair, or on what markets do you focus on?
Actually, it's totally up to the account size you have. Like with a small account size, as I'm trading the 10K, so I was focused on currency pairs, but on major currency pairs, not the exotic and cross pairs. But when I have the 2K account, then I will show you how to trade on gold and oil and indices and stocks.
Okay, okay, I understand. So, are you using mostly technical analysis when trading, or do you look on fundamentals as well? For example, do you look on news? Do you consider them in your trading plan?
Chris, actually, you know that the fundamentals I'll always supersede technicals. So I followed the fundamentals, but when I'm taking the positions, the entry and exit is on my technical analysis.
Okay, okay, I understand. And do you use a fixed risk to reward ratio on your trades, or it that doesn't matter?
No, actually, it doesn't matter that the risk and reward ratio. But when I start trading, my target is 1:1. Actually, when I get the target of 1:1, that's enough.
Okay, okay. And by the way, how do you calculate your risk when you are opening your positions? So, like, do you use a certain risk percentage per trade, like 1%, or how does that work in your trading plan?
Actually, the rules of EverTrader helps me a lot.
Okay,
So I'm using that percentage. So
okay,
most of the time, I use just 1 to 3% of my account
okay,
to
okay, I
trade on.
understand. What about the holding time of your position? Actually, I didn't ask you, are you a scalper, day trader, or a swing trader? How do you approach the trading?
Actually, I'm a day trader.
Day trader. Okay. Okay. So you usually are not keeping your positions overnight or over the weekend.
Actually, I don't like to leave the position open overnight.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
try to finish the trade in a day.
Yeah. I totally understand because the night spread is sometimes awful and yeah. Now I have a couple of questions in my mind, and first of all, I would like to ask you: do you close your positions 100%, or do you use like partial take profits in your trades?
No, actually, it's depend on the market movement. As I trade the price action only, that's why sometimes it hits the take profit, and sometimes I close it earlier.
Okay, okay, I understand. I understand. Now I would like to take a look a bit on your trading journal. For the moment, I have access on your first phase and on the second phase of your evaluation. Okay, and this is the first phase of your evaluation. And first of all, what I can notice here is your win ratio. It's 87%, which is a really, really great percentage because, yeah, you probably know that
Thank
the win
you.
ratio is a bit lower on the average traders. Okay, and yeah, exactly as you told us, your trades are opened only during the day. And let's see, for example, your most profitable trade in the first phase. It's this one actually on USD JPY. Do you focus mostly on USD JPY on this evaluation?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so this was your focus, and I can see that you open only one lot size. Is this a rule on this account, on this Take 10K account, or you open sometimes more lots than one?
Yes, I open more lots when there are business in the market, so I go for that.
Okay. Okay, so your most profitable one trade here was at 3% of your account, a pretty good trade on USD JPY. Do you have any remarks regarding your trades here? If you want to add something, otherwise, we are going to take a look as well on your trades in the second phase.
Yeah, you can go to the second phase, but the only thing is, if someone is trading the 10K, so they have to be focused about what they are trading, and the main thing is the price action is working very, very, very well.
Okay, okay. Thank you for sharing this. Let's take a look as well on the second phase of your evaluation. As our viewers can see, you are keeping your win ratio above 80%, which is a really great thing. And I wanted to ask you, is this the same thing in your funded account? You are keeping this win ratio still now?
Yes,
Okay,
I have checked that actually.
congratulations. That is a really, really good thing. And I can see that your profit factor is even higher now in the second phase of your evaluation. What I wanted to ask you, was it hard to fulfill the targets of EverTrader? Was it difficult to fulfill the targets?
No, not actually. The rules and things are very good. So everything was very good. So I don't have any difficulty to hit the targets because the targets are very low actually.
Okay.
On okay, if you are going to have the 10%, it's not that much, and then the second phase is much more easier, that when you are going to earn just 5% of your value, so that is not that much.
Okay.
So the targets are very achievable.
Yeah. Regarding the most loss-making trades, I would like to ask you, when you lose a trade, does it change something in your confidence, or you understand that it's part of your trading plan and it's not a problem for you?
Actually, Chris, the main thing is you have to have a target for you. So when you have a target, so you must have the positive and negative target. So when you have the positive target, this is a part of this business that then that you will be having a negative target. So when I hit the negative target, I don't trade that day actually.
Okay, okay. So do you have a certain like percentage for a day? Like if you lose 1%, you stop trading for that particular day?
Now it's 3% actually.
It's 3%. Okay, that's a really good point. Actually, it's the same for me, and it's really important for traders to understand that in the bad days, if you achieve that target, it's time to stop because the next day is going to be another trading day, and we have time to go
Obviously,
back in
obviously.
profit. Yeah. Okay, so that was with your dashboard. It's a flawless one. I understand that you are a very disciplined and actually talented trader because, again, this kind of win ratio is not so usual among the traders.
Thank you so
Um,
much for the compliment.
you're welcome. And now I would like to discuss a bit about trading psychology because You probably know after all this long period of trading that trading psychology is a very, very important part in any trader's journey. So, for example, for you in percentage, how much do you think is psychology important for a successful trader?
Actually, there is your emotions. If you can't control your emotions while trading, because when you get in profits, so you have to take that profit, you have to book your profit, and whenever you are in loss, that is the hard time when a trader face, when they are in loss or they have a losing trade. So you have to accept that loss. That is a difficult part, because when you are in profit, you are happy. When you are in loss, then things change.
Yes, yes. And now, also regarding the psychology, I wanted to ask you, did you adapted your strategy when you got funded? Like when you got funded, something changed in your trading style, or you continued to do exactly the same thing as you did in the phase one and phase two? And I am
No, no.
asking that because there are a lot of traders who struggle. Once they got funded, they started to think about, I don't know, cars, houses, vacations, and they started to get some pressure in their trading style, start to be not so disciplined, and become, I don't know, to start opening a lot of losing trades, more risk, and so on.
Actually, when you become successful in phase one and phase two with a strategy, so why don't you change that strategy?
Yeah. That's really true, but as I told you, there are a lot of traders who switch something in their trading style and
No, so then I have an advice for them. If someone wants bigger money, so they can go for the 2K, 200K account
okay.
with the same strategy.
Yeah, that's really true. And I hope there are traders who are going to learn something from this because this is, again, a very disciplined approach. And actually, it's the right approach because otherwise, you are going just to lose accounts due to the pressure you put on yourself and due to the fact that, yeah.
That is true. That is 100% true.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for sharing that. And now I'd like to know what is your opinion about the trading journal you have with the EverTrader? That dashboard, did it help you to, I don't know, record your trades, to journal your trades due to the fact that you have the access to our dashboard?
Yeah, actually, I'm not only talking about the trading journal, but I'm talking about the whole system that our trade is providing. Actually, first of all, the dashboard that helped me a lot, because whenever I'm starting my trading day, the first thing I have did is I have looked to my dashboard that what are my what we can say the daily drawdown and how much I have the maximum drawdown. So that helps me a lot. And as far as the trading journal is concerned, that is very good. So you can have the track record of all your trades, and each and everything is there. So that is very professional platform, and I really liked it.
Okay. Okay, thanks for sharing that. And now I have a question for you. It's definitely obvious that now you are a very confident and disciplined trader, but along your learning journey, have you faced any obstacles in your trading psychology, like not being confident in your positions, fear of missing out, over trading, revenge trading, or so? Have you faced ever these kind of problems?
Yeah, that are the part of human emotions. But when you want to be successful, so you have to overcome these problems.
Okay, yeah. That's really true. That's really true. And now that we are getting to the end of the interview, I have a question for you regarding the overall EverTrader experience. So, more than profits, of course, what did the participation in the EverTrader program give you? Did it teach you, I don't know, maybe to become more disciplined, or did it change anything in your trading style?
Actually, to be very honest, there is a rule that you cannot lose more than 5% in a day. So that helps me a lot, to be very
Okay.
honest.
Okay,
That
that's
is something which makes you more disciplined in your decisions.
Okay. Okay. So overall, this experience gave you more discipline in your trading style. I
Yes.
understand. And now that you've proven that you are a profitable trader, what would you say to the aspiring traders who wish to become profitable, but maybe they are only at the beginning of their trading journeys?
The only thing is discipline in online trading. If you are disciplined and you can overcome your sentiments, your emotions, then you are a good trader. If you can't, then it's impossible to become a good trader. And the other thing is to find a a good platform or a good company to trade with. Like I have found this EverTrader, so I'm very happy with EverTrader.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. And the last but not the least, I'd like to know, would you recommend EverTrader to other traders?
Obviously.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hope more traders are going to be in our team and we are going to make a lot of profits together. Okay. All right, Muhammad. It was a pleasure, a really pleasure to talk with you. Congrats again for your achievement and hope maybe we will discuss again after you are going to have a profit split with our trader because I am sure our viewers want to know about this experience. Thank you for your time. Wish you only profitable weeks ahead and maybe see you in a further interview.
Thank you so much. It was really nice to meet you guys.